The pumpkin spice latte is one of the most popular coffee drinks, and the key to capturing the magic of fall in a coffee cup is the pumpkin spice syrup. Today we're making our own pumpkin spice syrup. This is actually super easy to make, and it only takes a few minutes. To make this syrup, you'll need 3/4 of a cup of water, 3/4 of a cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup pumpkin puree, 2 teaspoons pumpkin pie spice, and you're ready to go. You might have all of these in your kitchen right now, but we've linked to each of them in the description just in case. First, bring the water to a simmer. Then, add in the pumpkin puree, the pumpkin spice, and the sugar. Next, gently stir the syrup while it simmers for about 3 minutes. Finally, pour the syrup through a mesh strainer into a container, and you've got your very own homemade pumpkin spice syrup. Let us know in the comments how your pumpkin spice syrup turned out. Like and subscribe for more coffee and espresso videos.